What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're introducing an exciting new company to the channel, and that company is called BIGG Digital Assets. Now, BIGG Digital Assets strives to be a leader in the digital asset space across several verticals, which we're going to be talking about in this video as we introduce the company to you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. BIGG is a very interesting company with lots of unique features, so we're going to be showcasing those in this video. Also, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. Always check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. With that being said, guys, I bring you BIGG Digital Assets. Also, don't forget to leave us a like if you do support the channel and all the videos that I put out, and kindly smash that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos, along with dropping us a comment down below, letting us know your thoughts on the company. Alright guys, so first things first, when it comes to BIGG Digital Assets, the stock is traded on the CSE under ticker symbol BIGG, or on the OTC markets under ticker symbol BBKCF. Now in Canada, on the CSE, BIGG Digital Assets has a market cap of $179 million as of the time of recording and trades for 74 cents. Currently has a 52-week range of 63 cents all the way up to $5.05. So, as we know, guys, there's been a big pullback in the market. There's been a big pullback for crypto-related stocks, and this stock was much higher 6 months ago. Looks like it's found some support around the high 60s, low 70s. Over the last month, it's shown some signs of stability, potentially some support. So now might be a very interesting time to take a look at BIGG Digital Assets. So with that being said, when it comes to the stock, let's get into the key points first when it comes to the company. Then we'll get into their website and their investor presentation a little bit further. So in terms of the key points for BIGG Digital Assets, I want to talk about the key points, the most important things right at the start of this video. So BIGG strives to be a leader in the digital asset space across several verticals. 3 operating segments: Netcoins, that's a crypto brokerage business; Blockchain Intelligence Group, crypto forensic business; and TerraZero, that is the Metaverse. They've got minority investments in Zen Ledger, which is a crypto tax company, and LQWD, Lightning Network company. They own 500 Bitcoins. BIGG has realized exceptional growth to date, and 2022 is focused on continuing this trend as it scales its business. So we do know a little bit about Netcoin. So one of few regulated exchanges in Canada, which comes with complete advantages: marketing and ability to operate. You can expect to see competitive reduction even though the overall crypto market is growing. They've launched Netcoins Pay, which increases the stickiness of customers, and they're always launching new coins. That also increases the competitiveness of the platform. Now, they do plan to enter the US market in 2022. For context, their first entry states, California and Texas, will triple the size of their addressable market. They will further expand state by state from there, and that is their plan. So the Blockchain Intelligence Group adds a wide variety of blockchains, and they're pushing on the sales and marketing when it comes to this. TerraZero, potential revenue streams from the Metaverse will be massive. TerraZero is a pioneer of the Metaverse and one of the first companies monetizing the Metaverse and enabling brands to enter the Metaverse. This allows the company to make money both on their own land and their own deals, but also on other brands and companies by enabling them to participate. They have a focus on brand activations. Each activation is $50,000 to $150,000 in revenue, and a backlog of brands trying to work with them. So it's a very promising business. BIGG's growth can be internally funded through its $50 million treasury, that's cash and crypto, and no debt. So that is a very attractive feature about the company. They're well financed, well funded, and as we know, very, very important. So BIGG has a lower risk profile compared to its crypto peers while maintaining leverage to higher crypto prices. The portfolio companies of BIGG are agnostic to the price of crypto. 3 separate operating segments diversify revenues. And the company has 500 Bitcoins, which provides leverage to increasing crypto prices. Finally, they have an experienced management team, strong expertise in digital currencies, as well as growing and building companies into profitable entities. And we will touch on that a little bit later. And finally, let's talk catalysts. BIGG is in its growth phase and continues to push forward, creating many catalysts for the stock. They do plan to uplist on the TSX potentially sometime this year in 2022. US expansion this year as well. They're constantly launching new coins. You can check the press releases for that. New product launches, strategic investments, which they continue to evaluate, and TerraZero's IPO in the medium term. So lots of catalysts on the horizon for BIGG Digital Assets. And finally, Clue gets almost no value with BIGG, however, it could be worth more than the market cap. Clue is 1 in 4 products available in tight market with high barriers to entry. Valuations in the space are significantly higher than any value Clue is getting within BIGG. CipherTrace recently acquired by MasterCard. Chainalysis raised at a $4 billion pre-money valuation. So there's lots of opportunities. As we know, those are the key points for BIGG. I wanted to highlight those before we jump to their website to get a better understanding of the company and what they do. So compliance first crypto. We believe the future of crypto is safe, compliant, and a regulated environment. We are the solution. BIGG Digital Assets owns, operates, and invests in crypto businesses that support and enhance a compliant and regulated ecosystem. So here we have it, guys. Just to reiterate, Netcoins, Clue, Terra Zero. So I want to jump to the investor tab on their website, which we can easily find their March investor presentation for anyone who's looking to, take a look a little bit deeper into the company. BIGG Digital Assets, CEO Mark Binns, which we will be having on the channel very shortly. So look out for that video roughly a week after this one goes live. They've got 500 Bitcoins on the balance sheet, Zen Ledger, and LQWD. So you can take a look at those investments and in terms of business, Netcoins, Terra Zero, and Blockchain Intelligence Group. So why BIGG Digital? What sets them apart? So 3-for-1 crypto, 3 leading crypto subsidiaries. Metaverse leaders, we do like to see some exposure to the Metaverse. They are well funded, 50 million plus in cash and crypto in the treasury, 500 Bitcoins in the treasury. Agnostic to the price of crypto assets, experienced management team, and catalyst rich, which we did talk briefly about those catalysts. Now, here's the share structure for anyone who's interested. Feel free to pause the video at any point. They also do have analyst coverage. Fundamental Research Corp with a price target of $3.06, PI Financial $2, Singular Research $2.50, and HC Wainwright with a $3 price target on the stock. So here we can see BIGG revenue. This is annually. That has dramatically increased in 2021. So what we do love to see is revenue increasing. Like I said, we will be interviewing their CEO, Mark Binns. So I look forward to bringing you guys more details on BIGG Digital when we get Mark on the channel. So what is Netcoins? Netcoins' vision to be the Canadian leader in making the purchase and sale of crypto easily accessible to the mass consumer and investor through compliant and regulated brokerage services. So we can see, guys, tremendous revenue growth for Netcoins. National TV ads, news, NHL influencers, and more. We do know this is the way to get the name out, so it's good to see them taking that approach. Blockchain Intelligence Group. So bringing security and accountability to cryptocurrency with our trusted data analysis and risk scoring capabilities for blockchain, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies. Develop tools to mitigate the risk associated with cryptocurrencies. Then they have crypto training, $1,000 per course. Tight competitive space. This multi-billion-dollar emerging market has very few competitors with high barriers to entry. BIGG is positioned to take significant market share in 2022 and beyond. Terra Zero, to improve global collaboration and unity with the use of the Metaverse. So business units. Feel free to pause this video at any point. The Metaverse is very interesting. So what are the revenue streams from the Metaverse? Land purchase and resale or sale, land leasing and renting, virtual asset design, land brokering, stats and predictive analysis, and event hosting, concerts, live meetings, etc. Brand activation, for example, Miller Lite, Meta Light Bar. Designed by Terra Zero to bring Miller Lite into the Metaverse for the Super Bowl. And then we have their 2 strategic investments, Zen Ledger and LQWD. So finally, guys, we've got the future of BIGG Digital. Further strategic investment in crypto, Metaverse, NFT, blockchain, and or DeFi. BIGG is to list on the TSX this year in 2022, focus on adding institutional investors, Netcoins International Expansion to enter into the US this year, Netcoins product expansions, Netcoins Pay, software as a service offerings, and finally, Blockchain Intelligence Group to add a wide variety of blockchains, push on sales and marketing. So guys, that's it for the simple introduction when it comes to BIGG Digital Assets. It's a very interesting business with multiple segments, 3 very unique segments within the crypto, blockchain, DeFi, Metaverse world. So It's an interesting company, and you get exposure to multiple sectors all in one, which I really personally like, and I think that that's a very unique business model. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Look forward to having Mark on to talk more about the company. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.